love, baby. Here it comes. I can't give you anything but love, baby. Baby. That's the only thing I've plenty of. Baby. Keep away, and you're sure to find. And I guess all those things that we all pine for. See, I'd like to see you looking swell. Baby. Diamond bracelets, Woolworth doesn't sell, baby. Till that lucky day, you know darn well, baby. I can't give you anything. I can't give you anything. I can't give you anything but love, 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 love. I can't give you anything but love. Oh, you are great. You are much better than last week's table number 3 and number 4. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Serafina. Happy birthday to you. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, just think. All the jazz clubs are dark and closed. Good night. And there's no live music at the Met or at Lincoln Center or at Carnegie Hall. But here we have live music on Broadway in 77th at the wonderful Serafina. So what is the perfect song to sing? Start spreading the news. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are melting away right to the very heart of it. Here we go. New York, New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it. Anywhere, it's up to you. New York, New York. We want to thank the wonderful, wonderful Serafina restaurant for inviting us for live jazz at Serafina. We're very grateful and very happy to be able to perform for you. It's a beautiful November night in New York, and this is live jazz at Serafina. And the band, once again, the very talented Sultan of Saxophone, Mr. Linus Wyrsch. And on the keyboard, the king of the keyboard, Mr. David Pearl. And on bass, the boss of the big bass, Mr. John Decesare. And our percussion, the prince of percussion, Mr. Toni Gallino. And I'm yours truly, the handsome and humble Mr. Victor Neufeld. That's life. That's what the people say. You're riding high in April, shot down in May. But I would not change my tune, 'cause I'll be back on top next June. I say that's life. Funny as it may seem, some people get their kicks out of stepping on a dream, but I would not let that get me down, 'cause this fine old world keeps spinning around. I've been a puppet, a pirate, a pauper, a poet, a pawn, and a king. I've been up and down and over and out, and I know one thing, each time I find myself flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life, and I can't deny it. I thought of quitting, but my poor heart wouldn't buy it. And if I thought it wasn't worth a try, I'd climb in that big bird and I'd fly. I've been a puppet, a pirate, a pauper, a poet, a pawn, and a king. Been up and down and over and out, and I know one thing, each time I find myself flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life, and I can't deny it. I thought of quitting, but my poor heart wouldn't buy it. And if I thought it wasn't worth a try, I'd go down to that airport, I'd climb into that big blue bird, I'd get my first class ticket, and I'd fly. That's life. Thank you. Thank you.
Always, he's so beautiful.
Wait, can you say that again?
Hey, quick question. If you can describe what music is and how it makes you feel, what would you say?
Oh, you know, it's much too primitive, really. It just makes me happy.
How sweet, how
Well,
sweet.
when I sing to people, when I sing to myself, you know, but I sing to people, the music's good. Music gives pleasure to people.